Right, this is how to fix the error. You go on your account, it's this one message. If it stops lagging, right, it's this one message. Like for my one, it's that group right there. This group. Remove this from the PSN app. See that it's frozen. And it just happens. It'll go back onto the game. I still can't do anything. It's just that one message that freezes the system or corrupts it. I'm not sure. Personally, report this problem. I've reported it so many times. Just write the error code with what's wrong with it, saying it's freezing, your account's freezing, only your account, not your PlayStation, it's the account. And you just accept the report. So what you're gonna wanna do, download messages. Go to the group, remove the group or the individual message or what it is. Personally, for me, it was that one. But you should also download PS communities and remove all the notifications from communities, everything. Like, all this is just invitations, but this is what I was in. I was getting all these posts from FIFA 19 and the FIFA 19 one, and I don't even have that. Literally, as soon as I come on, I'd get this pop up, and then the game would freeze. So yeah, if it worked for you, go comment if it didn't work, like, subscribe, whatever. There you go.